Honda is preparing to launch a fully redesigned CRF motocross lineup for 2027, and the changes appear to be far more significant than a typical yearly update. Leading this new generation are the Honda CRF450R and the flagship CRF450R HRC Works Edition, both of which were developed using lessons learned from Honda's factory motocross racing program. At first glance, the new bikes feature a much sharper and more aggressive design. The entire bodywork has been redesigned from front to rear, including new radiator shrouds, slimmer side panels, and a flatter seat to improve rider movement during racing. However, the visual changes are only part of the overall update. Honda engineers placed a major focus on weight reduction and improved handling. The 2027 CRF450R receives an all-new frame, a revised subframe, and suspension refinements designed to deliver better stability, more precise cornering, and greater rider confidence on rough tracks. The engine has also been updated to deliver stronger performance while reducing overall weight. Combined with a lighter chassis, the result is expected to be a bike that feels more agile and responsive in every riding situation. Another major upgrade comes through a new clutch system developed using technology from Honda's highest-level racing machines. This new design is intended to improve control during aggressive starts, hard acceleration, and demanding race conditions. For riders seeking a true factory bike experience, Honda will continue to offer the CRF450R HRC Works Edition. This premium model comes equipped with race-inspired components, exclusive tuning, special graphics, and performance upgrades developed directly alongside Honda's championship-winning racing team. Honda is also expected to apply many of these improvements across the entire CRF family, including smaller displacement models, making this one of the most comprehensive updates the lineup has seen in recent years. With a lighter chassis, enhanced performance, race-proven technology, and an entirely new design, the 2027 Honda CRF lineup looks set to become a serious contender in the highly competitive motocross world. And if Honda's goal is to bring factory-level performance to everyday riders, this latest CRF lineup may be its most ambitious effort yet. What do you think about the new 2027 Honda CRF models? Could these become the most advanced CRF motocross bikes Honda has ever built? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.